Hey guys, Steve here. I just wanted to make a quick video just to go over income stream number 5 of the My Lead Gen Secret. Income stream number 5, My Lead Gen Secret. I just had to make sure, mental notes, whatever. Of the multiple income funnel, you have multiple income streams. Now, all of these income streams are what do they call it? Fundamental or key to running an online business. And I will walk through it. I just want to give you an outline of what we're about to do. So I'm going to show you at the end of this video, or by the end of this video, of how to send an email blast to promote your multiple income funnel business, or any business for that matter. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek inside the multiple income funnel Facebook group, and also the My Lead Gen Secret Facebook group, just so you can see what it's about. Then I'll send an email or whatever. But first, let's take a dive inside the multiple income funnel. Right, let's log in here, put that up there. Let's log in and check this out, right? So this is the back office of the multiple income funnel. Now, if you didn't know, the multiple income funnel is a system that has multiple income streams inside the system. And these aren't just make money type things. These are tools or resources or trainings that you can use to learn how to run a business online, to make income online, and they're all digital products. So, which is awesome, right? You don't have to have a closet full of products. You can just log on your computer and everything is right there in front of you. Just think about it. How much space does a link have, right? You can carry your business anywhere. All you need is one link and it promotes everything. Like I said before, that example of Walmart, you walking in Walmart, what's the first thing you see? McDonald's. Then you see the bank. Then you see the nail shop. Then you see like eye doctors. But all of these different income streams are inside of under one umbrella. And that's kind of how this is, right? So let's run through the multiple income funnel real quick. So you have income stream number 1, which is the qualifier, which it qualifies anybody. If you can pay $49, to get in here, you're qualified, right? If you can't, guess what? You're not. If you complain, hey, it's too much money, that means it's not for you, right? That is the qualifier to get into it's the franchise fee, right? So you spend the $49, which you can make $20 commission on per month. It's a residual type of deal. But I would highly recommend you come in for the annual, because it shows how serious you are about a business, right? And it's still cheaper than any kind of business you're trying to start. Just think about this. My wife has, Scentsy and Color Street, all kinds. I know I'm dropping names, but Color Street nails and Scentsy candles and stuff like that. Those are like $99, $100, $120 or whatever, right? But those are still startup fees, right? And guess what? She has, she'll have a closet full of products trying to, make her money off of it, resell. But it's a hot item. Everybody loves, Anyway, I'm sidetracked. But anyway, part of what this is it's an online platform, an online business, and all businesses have startup fees. And it's all about the mindset of whether we think $49 is too much. In fact, it's all about the mindset if we think $400 is too much, because, go try to start a McDonald's. But anyway, income stream number 1, $49 to get started. You make $20 per referral. Second income stream, number 2, is the Power Lead system, which is a capture page builder, which is an all-in-one marketing platform, which they teach you how to get leads. They teach you how to create capture pages. You can build it at the fraction of the cost of any other capture page builder out there. Plus the compensation plan is very lucrative. Watch the video. The video is awesome. That's all I got to say. Watch the video. And you get a free 7-day trial to start. And it has multiple income streams inside. Anyway, watch the video, right? The third income stream is TextBot.ai, which is a SMS marketing platform, a marketing system that you can use. Text message blast. You give somebody a phone number, they text it, it sends a link, or they call it, it sends the link, and it's self-replicating, right? It tries to sell itself to the contact. And then 24 hours later, it follows up with an email of your primary business, which is awesome. And if I didn't mention before, the Power Lead system also You can plug your multiple income funnel link or your TextBot link or whatever in the back office of that, and that will also automatically promote all your business. Anytime somebody comes in as a lead or signs up with the Power Lead system, you'll get a series of emails. And it also has an autoresponder in it too. So it's an excellent choice. The fourth income stream is what all businesses need. It's the traffic source. And it's also the high ticket component of this, where you can make between $2,500 and $3,200. Now, none of these streams are mandatory except the first one, which allows you to get in. But I highly recommend you sign up for each one, create your free account, input your username into the back office, and I'll show you where that goes here. It goes right here. Input all that information in there so that anybody that comes through the funnel can be linked to you, and you can grow your downline. And as you're promoting it or as they're promoting it, you just get passed up if they're not qualified within the system, right? So you don't want to miss out on that. Real quick, the other three bonus income streams are My Lead Gen Secret, which I'm going to show you how to do an email blast in. Scalability Pro, which is under the traffic package umbrella. So it's the same username. Once you create that, you'll have access to that, but you have to purchase it to qualify for it. And then you have the Easy One Up, which is always a big money winner. And they just recently converted to crypto, Bitcoin. So anyway, those are your 7 income streams. Now, within each income stream, there's multiple levels that you can qualify and earn bigger commissions. So just remember always to come in, instead of drink responsibly, think responsibly, budget responsibly, and come in where you're able to afford. This is a business, and you just have to have the proper mindset, because I'm telling you that you can make money with any opportunity online. You just have to have consistency. You have to work on yourself, your mindset, and you always have to be getting your business in front of eyeballs, which is driving traffic, which is included in this platform, right? So anyway, where I was is I want to show you income stream number 5, and we're going to jump over here, and I want to show you what I want to do is I want to log in here. I wish I would have been prepared, but I'm always shooting from the hip, you know what I'm saying? And just making stuff up as I go. I create content on the fly. I wish I was a better planner. But anyway, here's just a glimpse of my back office. As you can see, I get leads. I get 200 leads a day. Yesterday I had 200. I get 100 bonus leads. I currently, I sent an email blast yesterday. Here's my stats so far. This day is terrible for whatever reason. It's all done for you. That didn't do very good, but when I sent it previously, it did. So it's just, hit and miss. I just email daily, change it up. So anyway, let's jump over to, you get email swipes here. And if you want to use these email swipes, if you got the OTO, the one-time offer, you just click here and the emails pop up back here, automatically populated. You just swap out the URLs. But what I do is I use one either from the back office, one that I already have, or one from the Scalability Pro Masterclass, where they provided some heaters, some subject lines that are guaranteed openers. And also, if you're ever interested in, if you're running out of source material, check your inbox, because a lot of businesses email you daily, and you can reuse those subject lines to get openers, right? But anyway, you can learn more about that in the Scalability Pro income stream. So first thing I do is I decide what email, but I'm going to keep it really quick for this one, which one I want to use or resend. And sometimes what I do is I just come here and I look at my stats and see what the heaters are. Like this one right here on day 1027, I had almost 5,000 open. So then I will scroll down here and take a look at, what was that, 1027, right? Now, what I do is I promote different ways, different things, different email strings, and I just change it up every day. Why not? I get 100 leads a day. I can have fun with it, right? So this one had a open rate of 8.8 and a click to open rate of 8.8 and almost a 1% click to send rate. I really don't know what those numbers mean, but I act like it, right? But anyway, that was sent to 56,000 things. So 56,000 leads. So what I'll do is I'm going to use this one again. Finally, no experience needed. And I'm going to go to my mailing system here. And if you're new, you won't have a big list like this or whatever. But a whole bunch of leads, or maybe even a whole series of stats to look at. But it doesn't matter as long as you get into the habit of emailing every day. So I select this. I click that, and then so then I'm looking for that email where it said I totally forgot what it said. Oh, right here. Finally, no experience, and I hit load here. Finally, no experience needed, right? And so then we scroll down, and this is what it looks like. Now, right here, I have, hey there, don't worry, this will be really easy. Open this email, you've already done it. Open this email, you already done this. You have step 1. Step 2, watch the video, click the link, start the profiteering. And then I say, I told you it was easy, and you should be able to start making money as soon as that's complete. So then I have my name. Typically, I put a connect with me here, but I didn't on this one here. Then I say, click here to get your free no BS blueprint to 6 figures in 6 months. Now, that line here is actually my, I want to show you here, right here, let's go to links. That link is actually my free funnel here, which is an opt-in, which gets them to opt in for a free book or whatever. And then I always put a tracking code on it. Now let me go back to my lead gen secret. So that's what this is, boom. And the last time I sent it was on 10/27. And you see here, I say PS link MLGS and the date. So what I'll do, I'll just change that. The PS link meaning it's the PS line, so I know what line got the click. And I'll put today's date on there, 11/24, so it pops up in my tracking in the back office. I hit OK, and that link is saved there. I can modify the words, but this email got a lot of opens and a lot of clicks, so I'm just going to leave everything as is. Here, I double-click that. This one here is a different opportunity, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and use the this is for a free funnel that actually I can make money with. People put ClickBank offers in here. People put their own. I've promoted, Cincy catalogs. I've promoted everything through my lead gen secret. So, it's a source for leads. So anything that you can make money with, I suggest do. So what I'll do is I'll get this new opportunity that I have. I know it's not multiple income funnel related, but I always give something for free. I give something you pay or something you free or 2 free things. And depending on how the person's feeling, that's what they do. But in this video, since it's multiple income funnel based, I would just focus on promoting your multiple income funnel business. I just want to show you how easy it is to put any other link in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over here. I'm going to grab this link here for this particular program. I'm going to copy this. And I'm just going to drop that into my this here and Control F. And that's it. And make sure it pops up a new window. So it keeps my email open and they go to a new window and hit OK. I click perfect timing, right? I always just move all the leads. I email all of them at once. It's coming from 61,900 leads. So that link is good. That link is good. And I hit preview. So I have 2 links in here going to 2 different offers. The first offer is a free funnel opportunity where actually the at the end upsell is me generating $100, right? And then on this last link is giving away a free no BS blueprint to 6 figures in 6 months, which is my multiple income funnel. Now you can do it any way. I would do it and adjust it, have fun with it, figure out which way works best for the leads that you have, right? Just play with it. Don't be scared to break the system. Don't be scared to make mistakes, because when you make mistakes, that's where the learning comes. As long as you're observant and try, and learn from your mistakes. But anyway, that's how easy it is. I verify my links real quick by looking off in the corner over here. You probably can't tell. I'm just hovering over it. I see that it works. I can click it and boom, it takes me to this opportunity here, which that means it works. I go back. Then I click this, boom. It takes me to the multiple income funnel here, the video with the free download. When you go to click here to download, it pops open the capture page. They get put in the system. They automatically get followed up for, I believe, 30 days, right? So that link is working. That's all that I want to do. I'm done. And then I hit send, right? And then down here you can't really see, but there's a little bar moving, a timer, and next thing you know, it's gonna say boom. And let's see if I can adjust this. Boom, you can see it down there where it says now I have 24 hours to wait. So you see that? And that's as easy as it is. And that's how you send that is how you send your email, any email for any product in the My Lead Gen secret. Now, I've seen people get sales all over the place, and this video is already getting long enough, so I'll make another video about that where people are getting sales doing different opportunities. I mean, I get sales in my multiple income funnel sign up. I get sales in my ClickBank offers. I get sales in my in promoting My Lead Gen secret, because you can do all of that. And anyway, that's all I really wanted to show you here. I know it's a quick video. It's probably all over the place as usual. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to send an email in the My Lead Gen secret system. And like I said, in 24 hours, I could do it again, right? And here's the stats page again, where it just shows your stats. So it's sent, right? And it's probably queued up now. As you can see, it dropped down to 0, but as it starts getting clicked and open, this bar is going to start going up. And what I've also noticed is that there's a lot of valleys or dips around the weekend. And it's just like either the system is, I mean, people are non-responsive to open their emails around the weekend or the holidays, maybe. I don't know. But that's where I notice a lot of dips are. But anyway, that's all I got. Like I said before and always, like, share, subscribe. This is a video that shows you how to just simply send any promotion to 100 leads a day through the My Lead Gen secret. And that's all I got. Like, share, and subscribe.